Hey, Riddles.
Hey.
Say, move, Punchy.
Punchy, punchy. I got it. Yeah, I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm so good.
Riddles, where are you going? You backing up? Can I have those dish towels back? Can I have these back? Give it to me. Can I have that one? Hey. Yay!
Positive 9 and negative 7, negative 2.
Nope, it's just 2.
No, I mean positive 9 plus negative 7.
It's 2. Positive 2. Ow! That's Mommy's toe.
Positive 9 plus negative 7 is...
It's positive 2. Because the 9 is still closer, is still more away from 0 than the 7 is.
It'd be 12.
What are you trying to achieve?